Hey, what's going on, everybody? Trade recap for today. It is Wednesday, the 17th. Coming up on the end of the year. Um, Honestly, just this week right here, and then probably gonna take the rest of the year off. Um, so yeah, just kind of looking to make the most out of it from what I'm given. Today was a beautiful 1 to 2 setup. Um, we'll go over that. We'll go over the bias and the price action, everything like that. Let's hop back. Yeah, so coming into the morning, what are we doing? Coming into the morning, we had some nice targets. I wanted to see um, us get manipulated to the downside first before expanding, if we did want to expand. Because higher time frame wise, in the 4 hour, I mean, we inversed this 4 hour here, this huge 4 hour we inversed. So I was honestly thinking we're going to be pretty bullish today, maybe up to like a little buy model up to these highs or something, but um, definitely not today. But yeah, we had London below. We had a big 30-minute below too. Um, and then all of these lows as well. They actually look really good if we did want to go to the downside to just distribute all the way down here. So yeah, my first thoughts were just to because I was still a little bullish at the time. Maybe wanted to see London get swept and then catch that move higher or whatever to the highs up top, or even trade down to the 30-minute. Um, this would be the lowest point I'd want us to go with the reaction if I wanted to stay bullish. But since we did, distribute and push through it, that's when I flip my bias. And like I'm always saying, you gotta be willing to adapt to the market, and flip your bias if you have to, things like that. So let's hop into it. We ended up, see, this is what I mean, the displacement we got right here. And then we ended up making this 15-minute here. So I mean, after this push through here, after the 4 hour inversion to the downside, you kind of have to be bearish, right? You don't want to get caught trying to take longs when you have all these unprotected lows right here just waiting to be taken. Trade with the trend sometimes. So anyway, we had that 15-minute. We ended up not actually hitting it on NQ. We did on ES, and right there, and then we put the SMT in. And I just want you to look at this at this price action right here, right? So technically it's AMD kind of, but it's not the full manipulation. Like we didn't get that full move to the upside for the manipulation. But take a look, pretty much just at this range here, right? Look at all these candles, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then look at this move, the manipulation, S&P gets puts in, immediate displacement, right? Now, if you can recognize that and you trade, inverse fair value gaps, you're gonna be a solid trader just based off displacement, right? It's 75% displacement through the IFVG plus the context of your overall daily bias, whatever you're looking at or want to happen. That's your entry model, right? It's when you get displacement like this, it's kind of hard to not like take the trade, if that makes sense. But yeah, anyway, so we got that displacement. I ended up entering 1 minute here, put my stops above that high, and I'm full targeting this low right here. It's a 4 hour intermediate low, yeah. Now I went break even at these lows as well, because if we didn't get down here, I'd expect us to really just flush. These types of trades, right? When you have such a good setup like this, right? It's like the bread and butter setup. You're expecting to literally just like flush. When we have watch the movement that we get when the trade play is ready. We almost got stopped, first of all, and second of all, we came back up. We inversed both of these 1 minutes. I was gonna about to get out of the trade. I'm not gonna lie, just because, after seeing this, it was definitely a little risky. Thinking this is AMD, we didn't really get that full manipulation, so I was gonna be kind of upset at myself if this leg would have been the manipulation to go up and actually tap the 15 and then we distribute. I definitely would have re-entered, but yeah, I mean sometimes it does happen. It's not luck, it's not anything. It's just it's the way the market moves, right? But break even there, and then super nice flush down to that low. But yeah, overall super clean trade. I actually haven't had a trade like this in a while, where for the continuation trades, right, we're normally expecting to go into that higher time frame P to array and then get the reaction out of it. But we actually had that SMT put in play instead of getting the actual tap on NQ. But yeah. Anyway, the trade it was really nice, good setup, good price action. We'll see what the rest of the week brings. I think we got CPI tomorrow, so I'll probably try to pass some more accounts for CPI. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna leave my Discord down below. If you're trying to get mentored by me, if you want to learn how I trade with me, whatever the case may be, check out the link. If you like it, join up. If not, it's all good. And yeah, peace out, and hopefully see you boys tomorrow.